Alright, so these are some of the changes that have been made to the WIX dashboard, especially since the introduction of WIX Studio. Let's take a look at some of them. Let's get started by looking at the first change. So the first change has been made under the getting paid link. So under getting paid is where you're going to find things like the pay links, the invoices, the price codes. Don't forget Wix has a free price code generator and invoice generator. So under getting paid is also where you will find the POS point of sale checkout to connect to your point of sale machine. For if you have like maybe a hotel, maybe a supermarket. Getting paid is also where you connect your payment methods like PayPal and credit or debit card payments, even mobile money payments. Okay, next is under the sales. So under sales is where you find your orders, gift cards, and everything related to the payments that have been made to your payment method that's connected to your Wix account. The next big change that you will notice is under the catalog. So under catalog is where you'll be finding the store products. If you want to update your inventory, if you want to create new categories, if you want to find stock to sell, you can even connect third-party websites like Printful, like Modellist to help you do what we call drop shipping. So drop shipping is simply if you don't have a product to sell but you still want to create an online store, an e-commerce store, you can simply create an e-commerce store with the products that someone can ship for you. Okay, so for example, Amazon does drop shipping. You can create a store with the products that you are promoting, but these products are on the Amazon website. So once you get sales, once you get orders, you simply place the orders on the Amazon website and they do the shipping for you. That's what we call drop shipping. So even Alibaba does it, even AliExpress does it. Those are some of the websites you can visit to get started with drop shipping. Okay, again, under the catalog, you'll also find the sales channels. So the sales channels will include things like the Amazon to connect to your affiliate store, to connect to your eBay. If you have a shop on eBay or on Amazon, you can connect your Wix website, your e-commerce Wix website to your Amazon store. The other sales channels we have is the Instagram shop and the TikTok catalog. So you can connect your e-commerce, your Wix e-commerce shop to your Instagram shop so that you don't have to upload your products twice on Instagram and on your website. You can upload them once on your website and just simply connect the Instagram shop or the TikTok catalog. Okay, lastly, under the catalog, we also have booking channels. So this is where you're going to find things like reserve with Google. So if you know the Google business profile, which you have looked at on this channel in some other video, you can check the videos out. Okay, so reserve with Google allows you to get online bookings via your Google business profile using the Wix dashboard. That's reserve with Google. Next is the apps. They've made a few changes under the apps. You'll find where you can manage all your apps. You find the app marketplace. So for example, I have the site booster app, so you can see it right here. You can select it to see the changes, to see the settings. Next, we have the site and mobile app. Under this part is where you'll be finding the Wix and the website and SEO. And under the website and SEO is where you find things like the site speed. This is where you also find the other SEO settings. Now, before you could find this under the marketing and the SEO. So that's the major change that has been made under this tab, the site and mobile app. Next, lastly, is under the customers and leads. So under customers and leads, you'll be finding contacts. Remember, before contacts had its own tab, but now it's under the customers and leads. So that's where you find the contacts, forms and submissions, loyalty program, referral program, abandoned carts for your e-commerce shop. Abandoned carts is whereby someone tries to buy an item but doesn't complete the process. the purchase process, whether they stopped on adding to cart. Adding to cart is if someone sees the item and they want to add it to their basket, their shopping basket, but they don't complete the process. That's what we call the abandoned cart. So abandoned carts will be found under customers and leads going forward. That's the quick overview of the WIX dashboard. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section down below. Otherwise, thanks you for watching the video. Hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.